Would you like to grow your business faster? Do you want to make this year the best year ever? Do you wake up every day and have the same question in your mind that how will I get more sales today? How I am going to scale my startup, my business faster? So if your answers is yes, then you are at the right place. Hi, my name is Tanmay Sanap. I'm a startup growth coach and video marketing is my specialty. I have helped 3 startup owners using the system grow their business offline and 12 business and startup owners in online world using the same system. The reason they are getting results because I am myself using the same system and working accordingly. I know there are few people out promising to help your business grow, but they are unable to give results because the number one, they are not practitioners of these things, and number two, they don't have a system. And I'm going to teach you the exact system and how you can position yourself into it. I'm under the mentorship of India's #1 digital coach, and he has taught me how you can merge your business into the system. Always remember, people fail, system works, and the #1 reason you will successful by being with me is that I'm following my mentor and the system to the point, and I'm not going to leave you unless and until you get the same results. The question is, who is this course for? This course is for those of you who have a business or a startup or a product or a service and want to take it to the next level. And this is also for those who don't have a business yet and want to start one. When I started my business 6 months back, I had no money, and despite having a clear idea about my business, I was not able to scale because lack of planning, not having a system, not having a mentor. And now I am getting 2 inquiries every 3 days for my digital marketing startup. What inside the course? I'm going to reveal the secrets of scaling by videos. It's not only the knowledge that's going to help you grow your business, but the framework attached to it. And that's what I'm going to tell you. Anyone can do this. You don't need to be an expert. If you see me, my social platforms, you will find that I'm doing nothing special. And not only me, normal people on social platforms having turnover of lakhs and lakhs. You have seen some people are no special, and you might have said that he is doing this thing and I also can do this. Why is he having lakhs and lakhs of followers? I also can do this. He's doing nothing special because he has something you don't know. The framework, the system, and the planning. The #1 mistake in this industry is that many people try to figure things out on their own. Don't do this. Surrender yourself to me for the next 45 to 60 days and see the change. The price is less than the Domino's medium cheese pizza, 499 rupees. So see you inside. Thank you.